Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 174. If we start with this box here, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 9. 8 here, so 1, 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 6. 5 here, so 2, 5. For this bottom row now, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got a 1 covering these two boxes, so our 1 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got 2 and 7 here, so this is our 5. 7 here, so 2, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 5. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 4. But I don't see any other help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. And for this box, we're missing 3, 8, and 9, and the 8 can't be here or here, so it must be here. For this row, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 2 covering these two boxes, so our 2 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 9, 4 here, so 3, 9. So now if we look in that column, the only place the 4 can be is here. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 5. And the 8 also can't be here, so it must be here. For this column, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 1. 7 here, so 9, 7. That 9 makes this our 3, 9, 3, 9, 3. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 5. 2 here, so 9, 2. That 5 makes this our 3, 5, 3. For this box now, we're missing a 4. And for this box, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.